John JB Brown, drummer with British heavy metal band Vicious Nature. I've toured UK and Europe extensively with my previous band Cloven Hoof and now with Vicious Nature. I finally found an absolutely amazing product in the Collision Drumstick. I'm using the 2B variety. 2Bs are a nice heavy weighted stick, really durable, hard wearing, long lasting stick. The support that I've got so far from Collision Drumsticks has been fantastic, and long may that continue. Here's a quick excerpt from one of our new tracks, Hell is Forever by Vicious Nature. Thank you.
Into the fire! Into the fire!